Here are some recommended movies available on Netflix that fall under the action, thriller, sci-fi, and fantasy genres. These films offer a blend of action-packed sequences, thrilling storylines, and imaginative storytelling within the science fiction and fantasy realms. These are highly recommended for all. I need your support. Please support me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Let's start the video. Number 1. Dhoond. Dhoond is an American epic science fiction film. The story follows a mythic and emotionally charged hero's journey. Dhoond tells the story of Paul Atreides, a brilliant and gifted young man born into a great destiny beyond his understanding, who must travel to the most dangerous planet in the universe to ensure the future of his family and his people. As malevolent forces explode into conflict over the planet's exclusive supply of the most precious resource in existence, a commodity capable of unlocking humanity's greatest potential, only those who can conquer their fear will survive. The acting is impressive, as is the music. The visuals, however, are the most incredible thing about this film. It looks awe-inspiring. The battles are epic. The staging is impressive. You almost feel close to the action. I cannot praise that element highly enough. IMDb rating is 8 out of 10. Number 2. Pacific Rim. Pacific Rim is an American science fiction monster film. The story follows for years. Earth is repeatedly attacked by giant monsters called kaiju that emerge from a portal beneath the Pacific Ocean. The only effective defense is the Agar program, massive complex robots that require pairs of neural-linked pilots. However, as each kaiju attack becomes more powerful and frequent, humanity must change its tactics. To that end, former Jaeger pilot Raleigh Beckett is reactivated as part of a desperate plan to destroy the portal. As Raleigh strives to heal his inner scars and help his new partner conquer hers, an intrepid scientist discovers a way to link to the kaiju's mind to learn about them. Unfortunately, that proves a mixed blessing as vital information of both sides is inadvertently shared and the stakes rise for a final battle. The film received generally positive reviews. IMDb rating is 6.9 over 10. Number 3. The Harder They Fall. The Harder They Fall is an American Western film. The story follows when outlaw Nat Love discovers that his enemy Rufus Buck is being released from prison. He rounds up his gang to track Rufus down and seek revenge. Those riding with him in this assured, righteously new school western include his former love stagecoach Mary, his right and left-hand men hot-tempered Bill Pickett and fast-drawing Jim Beckworth, and a surprising adversary turned ally. Rufus Buck has his own fearsome crew, including treacherous Trudy Smith and Cherokee Bill, and they are not a group that knows how to lose. The Harder They Fall premiered at the BFI London Film Festival on October 6, 2021. It received a limited release on October 22, 2021, prior to streaming on Netflix on November 3. The film received generally positive reviews for its ensemble cast as well as Samuel's direction and score. IMDb rating is 6.6 over 10. Number 4. Batman v Superman: Dawn of Justice. Batman v Superman: Dawn of Justice is an American superhero film based on the DC Comics characters Batman and Superman. The story follows the world changed when mankind, the citizens of Metropolis and billionaire Bruce Wayne, were witness to the awesome power of the Superman. Now 2 years later, the love affair is seemingly ended when the Man of Steel becomes involved in the complexities of international politics with lives lost amidst terrorist rebels. As journalist Lois Lane attempts to clear his name, Senate hearings and the media compels Superman to work within the system. The Batman escalates his war on crime, seeking a means to end the potential threat of Superman, and Lex Luthor appears to be pulling strings behind the scenes. This film was amazing. IMDb rating is 6.5 over 10. Number 5. Triple Frontier. Triple Frontier is an American action-adventure film. The story follows 5 former Special Forces operatives reunite to plan a heist in a sparsely populated multi-border zone of South America. For the first time in their prestigious careers, these unsung heroes undertake this dangerous mission for self instead of country. But when events take an unexpected turn and threaten to spiral out of control, their skills, their loyalties, and their morals are pushed to a breaking point in an epic battle for survival. The film was released by Netflix in theaters on March 6, 2019. before a worldwide streaming release on March 13, 2019. It received generally favorable reviews from critics. IMDb rating is 6.5/10. Number 6. Lucy. Lucy is a French science fiction action film. The story follows the American Lucy is studying in Taiwan and is dating Richard that she met at a nightclub. When Richard has a briefcase to deliver to the mysterious Korean Mr. Jang, he tricks Lucy and cuffs her to the briefcase. Lucy has no other option but to meet Mr. Jang, who is a dangerous drug lord that kills Richard. Lucy discovers that the briefcase contains the synthetic drug CPH4, and she is forced to work to Mr. Jang as drug mule with 3 other men and transport the drug to Europe hidden in their abdomens. However, one of her captors kicks her in the abdomen and releases the CPH4 in her body. Soon Lucy enhances her brain capacity and develops her physical and mental capabilities. She uses her abilities to kill the criminals and flees. However, her power does not stop increasing and is destroying Lucy that needs to use more CPH4 to stabilize her body. She contacts Professor Norman, who is an authority in brain capacity, and the scientist becomes her hope to save her. But Mr. Jang wants to retrieve his drug and is hunting Lucy down. The film received generally positive reviews. IMDb rating is 6.4/10. Number 7. Fantastic Beasts. The Secrets of Dumbledore. The powerful dark wizard Gellert Grindelwald is moving to seize control of the wizarding world. Unable to stop him alone, he entrusts Magizoration of the film. IMDb rating is 6.2/10. Number 8. The Huntsman. Winter's War. The Huntsman. Winter's War is an American fantasy action-adventure film and both a prequel and sequel to Snow White and the Huntsman. The story follows evil sorceress Queen Ravenna's powers allow her to know that her younger sister Freya, whose powers have not yet emerged, is not only involved in an illicit affair with an already elsewhere engaged nobleman Andrew, but is also pregnant with his child. Sometime after Freya gives birth to a baby girl, Freya discovers that Andrew not only reneged on his promise of elopement with her, but also murdered their child. In a grief-fueled rage, her broken heart freezes over, and she kills him with her sudden emergence of powers, the elemental control of ice. IMDb rating is 6.1/10. Number 9. Suicide Squad. Suicide Squad is an American superhero film based on the DC Comics supervillain anti-hero team of the same name. The story follows a secret government agency, led by the ruthless, high-ranking official Amanda Waller, recruits some of the most dangerous, incarcerated villains on the planet to execute dangerous Black Ops missions and save the world from a potentially apocalyptic threat from a mysterious, supernatural entity. If anything goes wrong on this mission, the government will not be liable, but rather can place the blame on the villains, who are inherently evil people. A small bomb is implanted in each member of the squad's neck with the capability of detonating any time one of the members tries to rebel or escape. It will be up to this assembled team of villains to prevail over the seemingly impossible events that will unfold before them, in what many deem to be a suicide mission. IMDb rating is 5.9/10. Number 10. Rebel Moon Part 1. A Child of Fire. Rebel Moon Part 1. A Child of Fire, or simply Rebel Moon, is a 2023 American epic space opera film. When a peaceful settlement on the edge of a distant moon finds itself threatened by the armies of a tyrannical ruling force, Cora, a mysterious stranger living among the villagers, becomes their best hope for survival. Tasked with finding trained fighters who will unite with her in making an impossible stand against the Mother World, Cora assembles a small band of warriors, outsiders, insurgents, peasants, and orphans of war from different worlds who share a common need for redemption and revenge. As the shadow of an entire realm bears down on the unlikeliest of moons, a battle over the fate of a galaxy is waged, and in the process, a new army of heroes is formed. IMDb rating is 5.6/10. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. I need your support. Please support me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.